Hello and welcome to Look and Learn English. My name's Martin and today we're going skiing in the mountains. So in today's lesson we're skiing and it's a beautiful ski resort in the Alps. The Alps are big mountains and on the top of the mountains, right at the top, we can see white snow on the mountains. Perfect for skiing and having a really good skiing holiday. When we look at the ski resort, we can see actually it's not very busy. We can only see 3 people. I say 3 people. Actually, I mean 1 person and 2 penguins. We can see a beautiful snowy piste to ski on. We can see a ski lift which brings skiers up to the top of the mountain for skiing. We can also see in the background a ski chalet. A ski chalet is a little house made out of wood. A ski chalet is a very nice place where you can relax after skiing, where you can maybe meet friends, where you can maybe have a little bit to eat, and maybe you can also have a little bit to drink if you like. In the background, we can see the beautiful mountains. It's a clear sky apart from 1 or 2 little clouds. Let's take a closer look at the people who are skiing. There is a penguin on a snowboard. It's the penguin with black sunglasses. The black sunglasses protect him from the sun shining in the sky on him, and also from the light which bounces up from the bright white snow. The penguin with the sunglasses is snowboarding on a green snowboard. He is wearing a scarf around his neck, which is blue and white. The scarf, we can say, has blue and white stripes. In his hand, the penguin is holding a hot drink. It looks like a lovely, warm cup of tea. He is skiing very slowly, and very calmly. He is happily drinking his tea. Let's ask some questions. Is the penguin snowboarding? Yes, the penguin is snowboarding on a green snowboard. What is the penguin holding in his hand? A cup of tea. The penguin is holding a cup of tea in his hand. What is the penguin doing? The penguin is snowboarding calmly and slowly. The penguin is happily drinking his cup of tea. Let's look at the other penguin now. The other penguin is not snowboarding. The other penguin is skiing. He is wearing red skis on his feet, and he is wearing a green helmet on his head. I think he needs a green helmet on his head to protect his head in case he falls. In his hands, he is holding ski poles. The ski poles help him to move when he is skiing. At the moment, he is doing a jump in the air. I don't think that he is skiing safely. I don't think that he is skiing carefully. I think he is skiing a little bit dangerously. At least he is waving his ski poles wildly above his head. Let's ask some questions. Is the penguin snowboarding? No. The penguin is skiing. What is the penguin wearing? The penguin is wearing red skis on his feet and a green helmet on his head. What is the penguin doing? The penguin is doing a jump in the air. He is not skiing safely. He's not skiing carefully. He's skiing a little bit dangerously. Let's look at the skier. The skier is skiing down the mountain very well. He knows what he's doing. The skier is wearing a blue helmet to protect his head, pink goggles to protect his eyes, a yellow jumper, a purple vest, blue gloves, and blue trousers. On his feet, the skier is wearing yellow and purple ski boots and long blue skis. In his hands, the skier is holding red and black ski poles to help him ski down the mountain. He's having a wonderful time. He's smiling and having a great time because skiing is great fun. He is moving snow behind him. The snow is pushing up and making a little cloud. Let's ask some questions. Is the skier wearing a blue jumper? No. The skier isn't wearing a blue jumper. The skier is wearing a yellow jumper. What is the skier holding in his hands? Ski poles. The skier is holding red and black ski poles in his hands to help him. What is he doing? The skier is skiing very well down the mountain and he's having a wonderful time. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.